Hello, welcome back to StudyNest. Are you a art lover but cannot spend money for courses? No problem. Here's a free course. Free Madhubani class just for you. Details. What is this? This is a completely free class by Arjati Creations. It's where you can learn free Madhubani drawing and painting. It starts from 5th April. I'm eagerly waiting for it. How to sign up for it? It is just simple. WhatsApp to this number 96506555658. It will be mentioned in the description below. Or join using the group link mentioned in the description below. 3 months class with 2 sessions per week. If you're not able to join on any day, then you can see their videos on the YouTube channel. Their social networks. They have a Facebook page and YouTube channel. We'll give the link in the description. Thank you. See you on April 5th.